Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen. So today we're going to make a Mediterranean tuna with spaghetti with a bit of chili oil. So first of all we pop some hot water into a pan and we bring it to the boil. Then we get plenty of salt and then we add our spaghetti. Remember to cook the spaghetti for 2 minutes less than the time in the instructions because we're going to finish it off later in the pan. So today I'm using Shines Chilli Tuna, an Irish tuna with some chili oil. Add the oil from the jar into the pan and let it heat up. To that we're going to add 1 chopped chilli, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 chopped red onion, 2 peppers. I used orange and yellow, but you can use any colour that you have in the house. And cook for a couple of minutes. Then to that we're going to add some cherry tomatoes. Give it a bit of a stir. And then some anchovy fillets. Just break the anchovy fillets up into a sauce and then mix it in with the vegetables. Once we got that there, then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of capers and a 1/4 glass of white wine. If you don't have white wine, just use chicken stock. Then we're going to add the tuna to the mix. Just give it a cook for a couple of minutes until it warms up. And to that we're going to take our cooked spaghetti and pop it in. Just take it straight out of the pan, let some of the oil drip in to help make the sauce for the tuna. Give it a bit of a stir and then cook for another 2 minutes just to finish cooking the spaghetti. Once the spaghetti is cooked, we'll just add some chopped parsley over the top. Again, give it a bit of a stir. And now we're ready to serve. Now if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And if you think of any further recipes you'd like, drop me a comment in the section below. Thank you for watching.